here on the East Fork of the Bitterroot, fishing February 22nd. And I'm doing a little bit of nymph fishing. It looks like I caught a little white fish there. Got my favorite nymph fly on. I'll show that to you when I get this fish up. Oh yeah, it's just a little white fish. Bring him up on the ice and release it and throw him back. So this is a double beaded stonefly nymph, and it's orange. It's my favorite fly for nymphing anyways. We'll just throw this guy back. There he goes. And on this fly I have a little tiny hook that's going into the eye. It's called a fast snap. I don't know if you guys can see that. And that's so I can change my flies just in just a second. Just pull this one off and put another one on, and I don't have to chew up my leader. We'll see if we can't catch another one. Got another little fish on here in that same hole. This one looks like it might be a little trout. Let's see if we can, yep, it is. Let's see if we can't net him here in the measure net. Yeah. There he is. Wow, that's a nice little rainbow. 6 and about 7. So he's 13. That nice little beautiful double beaded stonefly nymph. Let's see if he can go swim out of the net. There he goes. Beautiful. All right. Wow. Another thing I'm doing today, I thought I'd let you guys know, is I have this ultralight rig. It's only got about 10 foot of fly line and about 10 foot of leader and about 2 foot of backing. And it's an 8.5 foot rod. So it's kind of my ultralight, and I like to fish that here on the East Fork. There is some big fish in here, but almost every fish will spool you because you're casting out almost all your line on your first cast. It's fun. It's really fun. Got another one on. Woo! This one's probably a trout. If I can get out of all this ice. Yeah, it's about like the other one. 14 or 15 inches. Yeah. It's like this one's a cut. All right. Oh, he got off. All right, he spit the hook. Oh well, almost had him. Changed the fly and got another. Oh, looks like this one's another white fish. Caught him right under the mouth. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. 8 and 6. He's a 14-inch whitefish, maybe a little bit bigger. There he goes. Another little one. This one looks like a trout. Gonna get my net out. Yeah, it's a nice little cutthroat. It looks like it has a little rainbow in him, so a little cut bow. Yep. There he is. This one measures in the measure net 7 and 5. So he's a 13-incher. There he goes. Time ago they used to put cars in the river to shore up the shore for erosion purposes. So now every once in a while you come across an old car that's all wrecked up right in the river. I saw its engine block is way up river there, but the rest of it's right here. There's a little bit of it sticking out right there. That'd sure be a boat killer. I'll have to remember that this spring. Got a nice one under that tree. Yeah, he's a nice one. Nicest one so far today. Nice little cutthroat. Yeah. Oh, missed him. There he is. Yeah. So he's 8 and 6. 14. He's fatter than the others. Gotta get my hemos. That one's in too deep. There we go. That's a fat fish. Look at him go. Woo! Wow, he's a good one. See if we can catch another one.